Hey guys, it is your girl CC Era here, and I am back with another video. Today's video, you guys, is going to be another thrift haul video. Felt like kind of treated from my last video because I tried to do a what around my face, my everyday makeup routine, and you guys told me that you want to see more thrift hauls, so I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna run with it. And without further ado, we're gonna hop right into this thrift haul video. So this thrift haul, you guys, I got about like 4 pieces. I went to the thrift store looking for shorts that I could wear, or pants that I can turn into shorts that I can wear for the 4th of July. And I ended up finding a pair of shorts, or sorry, pants. And unfortunately, I didn't get the picture of what they looked like before, but you can imagine they were just like really ugly straight-legged pants. And yeah, I just decided to distress them, and these are what I actually wore on the 4th of July. My favorite though is the pocket detail that I did. Really love this pocket detail. This pocket is actually functional. I'll insert a picture. They're a little bit tight on me. They say 24 in the waist, but yeah, I don't know what type of 24 this is because they were incredibly tight, so I had to slice them on the sides to give me a little bit more mobility. It's my boyfriend Connor's idea actually, because at first I'm like, shit, I'm gonna just toss these because they were just really tight, but when I cut them on the sides, they are doable, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Nextly, you guys, is going to be, it's inside out right now, but this really cute linen top. Well, it's actually like linen and polyester, I believe. Yeah, linen and polyester, but it's mostly linen, so I didn't mind that. And I absolutely love the texture of it. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. And I have really been looking at tops like these. I don't know why, I'm just really obsessed with these like really like little boy looking tops. I just think they're just so classic. And I was actually looking at Carla, X by Carla, I believe. I'll probably insert a picture so you guys can see, but she actually makes these shirts, and or shirts similar to these, and I'm like, shit, should I spend $50 on that? But I'm happy that I told myself that I can find something similar thrifted, and I did. And I wore it yesterday with like jeans and like a belt, and it was really cute and really good for the summer. It was not like piping hot. This was very breathable, which I really love. And it is in the size large. I believe it may be in the size kids large because it really fits me perfectly. I initially got it for Connor, but he tried it on and it looked like a little boy top on him. So, love this. Nextly, you guys, it's actually a piece that I got from when I thrifted last time, but I forgot to show you guys. And it is this beautiful silk top. I absolutely love this top. Love the embroidered detail along the collar. I just feel like it's really beautiful. It's so soft. It's just such a classic top too. Something that I feel like I can always bring out every fall, every like summer with white. Absolutely love this top, and I love the button detailing here on the sleeve. And I love how it cuffs at the wrist. It's just such a nicely made top. Love the color of it. Looks really good on my skin. And yeah, just really happy to find this piece, as you can see. And this last thing that I got, yeah, moving on to the last item that I thrifted, you guys, is actually this really cute crocheted little bag here. This style of bag is just like really in. I feel like for the past like 2 or 3 summers, like crochet bags have been like so in. And I was gonna like go buy one at Zara, but I'm like, let me just peek at the thrift store first to see if I can find anything similar. And I'm so happy to have found this bag. I can wear it like a crossbody. Here, let me show y'all. I can wear it like a crossbody. Of course, I can just wear it like on my arm like this. Just super cute. And I really love tiny bags. I don't know if you guys know that about me, but I really like carrying this size bag because it just causes me not to lug around a whole bunch of junk that I don't need. Alright guys, so that actually concludes this thrift haul video. I know I didn't thrift so many pieces, but next go around I'm going to try to thrift more for you guys. Really happy with everything that I found. Just feel like they're all so timeless and pieces that I can bring out literally all year round. I can see myself wearing, except for the shorts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and do not forget to click that subscribe button if you really like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.